Don't fucking grab me!
You okay? I can move for what? For what?
Let go of me! Get out of the car now, you're gonna get tased!
I legally challenge you to a fight. Do you accept? No.
What starts as a routine traffic stop for a red light quickly spirals into chaos and a physical confrontation. It's just after midnight on April 1st, 2025 in Patterson, California. Stanislaus County Sheriff's Deputy Films is on patrol when he sees a red Audi blow through a red light. The deputy hits his lights and siren, but the driver, Joshua Rhodes, doesn't stop. Instead, he continues driving, makes a strange U-turn, and then finally pulls over.
Good. Are you aware of the possible alarms? Yeah, I know. You're just for? Okay. Siri's been advised of what you found.
Patterson 3Q on traffic.
3Q on traffic.
6 Zebra, Adam King, 441, C. Charles and Delport. Evening. Deputy Elm Sheriff's Office. Reason for the stop tonight is because of the red light you just ran on Del Porto right here, okay? Do you have a license, registration, proof of insurance? What was the purpose of going through the red light?
I live right here.
Huh? I can't understand you, dude.
I live right here. You can look up the registration on the computer.
You have the insurance?
No.
Are you still in?
No.
Yeah?
No.
No? What's your current address?
Right here.
What is it? Can you speak up, please?
The street we're on right now?
I'm asking for mailing purposes for your citation.
Well, I just told you.
I'm just confirming it with you, okay? I don't understand why we gotta have an attitude right
I
now.
have attitude.
You do.
Perfectly fine.
You
say
clearly
you can't
do.
hear me. You hurry up, go about your business, man. You tripping.
You're on probation or parole?
You can look up all that. Since you think
Okay,
I'm on
this
probation.
can go either one of two ways. Number one is you can just be respectful and we can move on with our business.
I just told your bitch ass that you can look it up.
Yeah. And that's being disrespectful.
So
You could just answer the question either yes or no.
Hard time.
How am I giving you a hard time? I'm asking you a simple
You
question.
can look it up.
Are you on probation or parole?
Why I gotta be on that?
I'm asking you. I ask everybody
Well,
that I
look that shit
contact.
up then.
Why, I don't understand why we got an
Why
attitude.
don't you just do your job?
I am going to.
Okay, great. Give me my fucking ticket and go about your business.
Okay. Do you have an ID, ma'am?
Don't say nothing to him. You ain't gotta say shit to him. You ain't driving?
Let me see your ID, please.
Bro, just do your job. You have a ticket.
Don't tell me how to do my job.
You ain't. Call your supervisor then.
Nope.
What?
Let me see your ID, please. You're not wearing your seatbelt in the car.
I just got home from work, man. I don't have my ID.
Huh?
I just got home from work.
You don't have it on you?
No, I don't have my ID.
You are not calling. Are you really calling 911 right now?
Yeah, call your supervisor then.
Why are you calling
Call
911?
your supervisor.
Get out of the car.
And I'm
Patterson
trying to pull
3Q1.
over.
Send me
and
1011.
I'm asking for your supervisor and the officer.
Hang up the
that's
phone
going
now.
through. You hear him right now? He's trying
Hang
to
up the
get
phone or
this
you're
up
going to be
on-
placed under arrest.
For what? Do
For
you hear-
misuse of 911. Hang up the phone.
I'm asking for your supervisor.
Hang up the phone right now.
Do you hear your officer? He's trying.
Yeah, this is the dispatch center, sir.
Yeah, but I need help though. I don't feel safe.
Okay, and where you located?
I'm on Street. Patterson,
3Q1. Just for info, male is uncooperative in the car and he is calling 911 at the moment right now.
Alright, I need help please now. Alright.
Okay, I'm gonna step out of the car.
I don't have to.
I'm telling you to step out of the car.
For what?
If you don't step out of the car, I'm going to place you under arrest.
For what?
For disobeying a lawful order.
No, you don't. I don't have to put. I don't have
If
to
I'm
put
telling
nothing
you, I'm giving you a lawful order and command to step out of the vehicle right now.
You don't have. All you gotta do is give me my ticket. You don't have to do all this stuff.
You're
all
actually.
right, all right. I asked for your super. They're all coming right now.
Either you can step out of the car,
We'll wait till they get
or I'm
here.
going to take you out of the car, and you're going to
Why?
be taken to jail
Why? Wait
for
till-
disobeying my lawful command to
You're
exit the
tripping.
vehicle right
You're
now.
Tripping. No, no. I wait till your supervisor.
Okay, you are under arrest.
You
Step
can't
out of
do
the car.
that, sir. You can't open the door.
You're under arrest.
For
Step out of the
Open
car.
the door, sir.
For what?
You can't open the door.
For what?
Do not do that,
415,
sir.
step it up.
For
Step
what?
out of the car
For
now.
what?
You're under arrest.
For what?
You're
Do not
under arrest.
Open
For
my
what?
door without the permission.
Step out of the car. You're under
Do
arrest.
not open the door.
Step out of the fucking car. You're under
Hit
arrest.
him. Why did you just hit him?
Let go of me.
What the fuck
Let go of my
charge
fucking
did you
arm.
do? Hit him, you hit me, and you getting in trouble. Hit me
Step out
too.
of the fucking car now.
Hit me too.
He just attacked me for one
No,
reason.
he just slapped you in the face twice, and I got it all on camera, so good luck, buddy. I got it all on camera. What the fuck you doing? Nah, don't even hit him, bro. No, bro. What the fuck, bro?
Don't fucking grab me.
You attacking me for what? For what?
Let go
What
of
you
me.
doing? Why are you snatching him? Why are you pulling him? Nah, bro.
Get out of the car now. You're gonna get tased. Get out of the car now. You're gonna get tased.
Stop!
First, you on
What
Taser
you
before.
doing? You just shocked me too, motherfucker.
Get out of the car now.
You're getting fired.
Get out of the car now.
You're getting fired. You're getting fired.
Get out of the car now. You are under arrest. Get out of the car now. You're under arrest. Put spike strips under his tires now.
Nah, bro,
Hurry.
You're getting fired.
Get out of the car now. You're under arrest.
You're getting fired, bro.
Get out of the car now. You are under arrest.
Nah, bring out your supervisor.
Get out of the car now. You're under arrest. Step out of the vehicle now. You're under arrest. Get on the ground. Get on the fucking ground.
That's all on camera.
Detain her. I got him. Detain her.
I can keep my phone off the wall for you. No, don't take my phone.
Do not fucking throw away from me.
I got it all on camera. No, give me my phone, bro. It's fine. I have an uncle that's a lawyer. He's gonna.
Pretty good. We got two to detain now. Go ahead and start
I
rolling
want
for
to
one
make sure
fifty
I have
two.
my
Give me your fucking hands.
We got 10:35.
I have no break.
Sit up on your butt. Stand up.
Following the arrest, Joshua Rhodes was taken to a local hospital for booking clearance. But even while being escorted out, his defiance continued. He verbally challenged Deputy Helms to a fight.
If we was one-on-one, you took off all that right here, and you thought, let's punch each other in the face then. I legally challenge you to a fight. Do you accept?
No,
'cause
that's
you
not
a
what I
bitch.
want to do with you.
Exactly.
This is not what I want to do at all.
No, that's what you want. You want to do
I
that?
don't know why you would want to do that with me.
Because you punched me in my face.
That's
Now I
not
want
right.
to punch you in your face.
Okay.
You want to attack me, so let's fight. Take your right. I legally challenge you to a fight. Do you accept? No, because you a bitch.
Are you asking me that right now?
Because you a bitch.
Are you asking me that right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Take off
Face the
the
car.
take off the handcuffs and do
Face
you
the car.
legally challenge? Exactly. Like, bro, you act all tough when nobody around, but when shit gets
Is anybody around right now? Am I
we at
acting
the
tough with you
hospital.
right now?
Because it's lights. It's people around. When there's nobody around, you tough and you a whole nother guy. Your whole demeanor changes.
The Stanislaus County District Attorney's Office later filed multiple charges against him, including resisting arrest by force and battery on a peace officer. A passenger, Eliana Barraza, was also charged with obstructing an officer.